Hello YouTube, big battle, we're back. What happens when you put your contacts on a curling iron? What? What was that melody, cuh? Is that fire though? Yeah, it's sick. Like what? That's sample though. Pretty fire. I want to see what you guys make. Wav battle. This video is sponsored by TuneBat. TuneBat lets you buy and sell producer products on the internet. It's a great way to learn how to make music and make money as a producer. Here we are on the platform. Boom, artists. Let's check them out. Who they got? Oh, who's that? That's me. On sale. Here we have project files. They have templates. We got ghost production, classic, samples, presets, racks, and you can even hire a producer to do what you want them to your bidding. I see West End, I see Cashew, I see Win and Woo, we got Cloverdale, shout out, that's actually my homie, he lives in my city, or used to, I'm not sure if he still does. Wookie, shout out Wookie, we know Wookie, and others also have project files that you can go and buy. I have some older fake genres listed here, so if you want to go cop them, I'll have a link in the description, 10 bucks a piece, and if you're an artist, you can go do that yourself. Thank you TuneBat for sponsoring this, I appreciate it. Back to the video. 140 BPM, B major, any questions? 2 hours, let's go. It's so cute. It's a little guy. It's a little fucking guy. Let's pitch it down 12, let's see. I want to make some like melodic Drulu kind of vibe here, I think. Let's get like an actual synth. Let's go like Arturia, something. Let's get a Juno. It's gonna be happy upbeat. Yeah. It gets like a really simple saws here, low pass. Yeah, I'll stretch the sample, hold on. Yeah. All right, let's get some more pads, layers. Come on. Oh, that could be the lead. Hold on. Big. You can be that guy, but all in the break? Alright, let's see what it sounds like. I'm not sure about this one. It kind of works. Alright. Ooh, hold on. Over here, chat. Pro tip. Strum. Come on! Song writes itself. Wow, 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 wow. Da-da-da. I'm not gonna chop it. I need drums first before I think about anything. Some like organic. You could down some dabble drums. Let's do some organic hot stuff. Okay. Make a little pluck. Get some funky bass. It's getting there. We need like a different snare, hats and shit, but trying to find a nice vibe. All right, more. There's a vision here. Just gotta flesh it out, chat. I like that. Could be huge. Gotta thread it, chat. The plug has to be just more. Like, it just is what it is. Kind of a cool pluck, no? Okay, I like that more. More. Ba-da-da-da. I want to try without the topper. Oh, this could be like a cool, like, constant thing. I like how, like, small the song sounds, kind of, you know what I mean? Like, it's kind of campy. What did I do? This could be cool, no? Is this better? I don't know. I don't know. The full-time sounds better, I think. Decided. Was it already more listenable than the other one? I swear to God, Chad. Except we go halftime now. Let's go! Come on! It's even. I swear it's better. I swear it's better. Let's pitch it down to. Let's see. think -1.5, and we'll leave it at that. I'm dropping everything, my entire life, on Patreon. There's a link in the description. This Patreon will include project files from every Bish battle I do and the stems. It will have a monthly sample pack for you of sounds that I think genuinely could help your production and shit that I would actually use. I'm going to be releasing a rack every month. I just put out the first one, which is my vocal chain, which is what everyone's been asking for.
The Bishu Girther. One of one. Coming soon. And it sounds awesome. Also gonna be dropping my master chain. And soon I'll be dropping reverb throw generator. One knob, super easy to get that reverb suck effect. I do it a lot in my songs. Bishu widener. Bishu sub generator. And of course the Bishu wub generator.
Tier number 1. Bish. You're tapped in, you get a monthly sample pack, access to one full video ahead of YouTube, and you're hot. Tier 2, more. It's the most popular. You're a true real one, you get access to the project files I create for Bish battles. All my project files. I said, y'all getting all of it. Why not? You get custom racks I use and make. You get the monthly sample pack, specially curated, and your name will be shown at the end of YouTube videos. Freak. Yeah, thank you so much. But yeah, link in the description. I love you. I hope you see the value and enjoy the video. YouTube, here we go. Submissions. Let's go. Endless coming up. Okay. All right, pal. Switch. Imagine it was in D though. Candy. This is crazy. Brand new music right there. This is what Wink sounds like to me. Let's go. Let's hear it. I like it. to that one Laced Up by Subi Club right here. How you manipulated that sound. Contacts to do that lead. That Wiz was. It's like happy chord cloud. Poison. First century from someone. Interesting mix sound on this.
That is why you don't put your contacts in the curling eye. Oh God, it still hurts. That is why you don't put them in. I'm begging please on the Bishu stream.
Who are you? What was that? That was crazy. We fucked up. It's gonna be on whiplash mode, bro. Sounds like Bowser. No? You hear that? Come on. Sophie. It's always.
I've got secrets to keep. If I ever know everything, then I'll finally sleep.
Pretty hard. I'll give this a red, actually. Oh. Spread lovey! Xanax. Yeah, this is fire. Red Lovey.
I can make you
You. Pretty Hume's a hard one to beat. Phase 0. Thank you, some Poppy. That was super tight. I want to see that like fleshed out and structured and shit. Who was that? Arcade, brother. Arcades are hard, gotta be. Vince, it's pretty. Claps for sure. Thank you guys for submitting. Massive. Thanks for all of them. I think it's over. I think Egidius takes his 25th win. It's looking like Egidius. Bro's the fan favorite right now. Bro came out of nowhere like 3 months ago. Just never stopped winning. Thank you guys for coming through. Big. That was fun. That was actually a fun battle. I was surprised what you guys did with the sound. Thought it was chill and cool what you did. But yeah, come through the Twitch, YouTube if you want to participate, if you want to come vibe, and then go through the Patreon if you want all the sauce, racks, presets, every project file I make. The value is kind of insane. Yeah, peace, bye.
Come through to the Twitch. You won't.